All right, today we're going to bring an attachment for your Insta360 Go system. So if you guys carry this camera, you know that everybody looks at the camera and looks at your chest. Now, this is a little discreet character that you could actually set up the camera in here, and you have access to all the buttons, of course, from there. So the way it works, you just pop it out. You take it out. You guys can see that. So once you get the camera going, all you got to do is put this guy in the back here, and he slips on. And this is silicone, right? This thing is waterproof too also. So the camera itself is waterproof, this part right here. And in the course, they give you two types of hangers. They have the little hook one, and then they have the longer one. Now, I tend to use this one more because look at that. You can still carry it on your chest. And you can always get rid of this one too discreetly. So you, instead of having just this part with the actual camera, it's hidden right there, and the camera is visible, if you guys can see that. And then you could just hit the button there and it starts recording. There you go. I hear the beep, and there's an indication that it's recording from there. So it's hidden. It tells you this is recording. Push the button, it stops recording. You guys can see you still have access to the actual light itself. Now let's put this on to see how it looks, right? Let's go ahead and do that. I recently went to the Comic-Con Convention Center, and I was walking around recording hands-free. If I could just, put it on there. Look at that, magnetized. And if you don't have a magnetic chest holder too, you could, like I said, it comes with extra strips here. Very simple, and it's discreet little character. If you guys can see that, it's pretty neat. I like this. I like this a lot, especially that you still have access to your camera in the back, so you can hang it around, walk around it. It's like everybody has their Labubu and other stuff, Well, this is mine now. So very simple, out of the box, beautiful silicone. I hope you guys enjoy the video.